There are a lot of speculations in the market about what is going to happen. In budget 2025, will income tax be largely modified? Or maybe altogether, a completely new income tax law will be made, which will be the Direct Tax Code 2025. Hello everyone, I am CA Raj K Agrawal, having qualified CA with an All India rank. And in this video, I am going to tell you what is going to happen in the coming budget 2025. According to reports, the Modi government is planning to introduce a new income tax bill in the upcoming budget, which will come on 1st February 2025.
Modi government is planning to introduce a new income tax bill during the upcoming budget session of the parliament.
There were already a lot of rumors like this in the market, but the government kept it as top secret. Now today only 1 week remains for the budget. So the government is silently revealing that the income tax bill will be completely new. That is, the direct tax code will come. The real purpose is to simplify the income tax law. The length of the direct tax code will be 60% less than the existing Income Tax Act. Right, so it would be only 40% of old laws. Obviously very good news for the students, as they need to study less, right? In fact, very less, just 40% of the existing syllabus. I have many times, while teaching income tax, often explained that the Income Tax Act is one of the toughest laws in the world. Therefore, in the direct tax code, language has been simplified. The government has said this to the budget committee, that keep the language as simple as possible, and approximately 100 sections, so around 100 sections which are now redundant, have been deleted. This is the third attempt to change our 63-year-old income tax law. Before this, a draft of the direct tax code came in 2010. Well, the government, before planning to bring in the direct tax code 2025, should have first brought its draft into the public domain, as it was done in 2010. But the government is introducing it without bringing it to the public domain. Are they serious? Are we even in a democratic nation? Actually, this current government does not tolerate any criticism at all. And let me tell you one thing, that any change, whether good or bad, is not the matter of concern here. Our countrymen don't like change. Exactly like Amitabh Bachchan used to say in the movie Mohabbatein, I don't like change. So the government has not placed it in the public domain to avoid criticism. Okay, well, if you want 2010 direct tax code draft, so there is a link in the description box. You can click on the link. You can get it on your WhatsApp. Actually, GST came into effect on the 1st of July 2017. But even 10 days before that, it seemed like it wouldn't come. But GST came. In fact, I can tell you, I myself was conducting many seminars for GST. 10 to 15 days before GST came, and I was telling everyone the same thing, that I don't think GST would come, but GST came. So you never know what would really happen on 1st February 2025. PMO has been working closely with the budget panel for the past 8 weeks, so that the new bill is ready before the 1st of February. If this would not get ready by the 1st of February, do you know what the plan was? It was planned to bring it on the 1st of July 2025, meaning on 1st February, normal budget would come with some amendments in income tax. And from the 1st of July 2025, they would try to implement the direct tax code bill. There are also chances that if the direct tax code is included in the budget on the 1st of February, so it is possible that it will not be implemented from the 1st of April 2025, but from the 1st of October. Meaning, for the first 6 months of the next financial year, the old law will continue, and then for next 6 months, new law will be implemented. If you want to know more about the direct tax code, then on our channel Study at Home, there is a playlist on the direct tax code. You can refer to that. Right, so what is DTC? I have explained all about it. I have given the link in the description box. There is a lot more on this channel. There is also a complete playlist for income tax and GST. If you want to hear the analysis of budget 2025 from me, then do subscribe to this channel, so that on the 1st of February, as soon as I bring my analysis, you get a notification immediately. If you find the video informative, please like it and also share it with others. Thank you so much. Signing off, CA Raj K Agrawal.